Hey everyone, Hanu here from the Emerald Minecart. Sorry guys, because I do not upload any video of Minecraft in few past weeks. So now I'm going to daily post a video of Minecraft. So let's get straight into this video, guys. Today I have an awesome seed for you. I changed my skin to redstone minecart. Before I was the diamond minecart. So let's get straight into it, guys. So create a new world, generate random. You guys will love this seed, and if you like this, don't forget to leave a like on this video. So seed is 1 3 8 8 4 1 4 9 8 0. So this is seed. I'm pausing a little bit so you guys can see the seed. Let's get hard difficulty because I do not play on hard difficulty. So let's get straight into this video, guys. Check it out. This is the new version, so you guys can trade as well in this version of Minecraft. I was just typing some seeds and I came across this seed. And I decided to showcase this seed. So, wall is building. Now, let's go. Let me clear my inventory. And get a portion of night vision. So I can show you a lot of things. So you guys can just think, oh, this is a simple village. But when you turn around and try to fly, you will see a Mesa village with some abundant mine shaft and some chest. First, let me showcase you the blacksmith. You guys just think, oh, a blacksmith. When you get in, you guys will see these stairs. I think they lead to mine shaft or stuff like that. So let's grab this bread, apples, some iron ingots, gold horse armor, and iron helmet. Okay, so now you guys will come across here and you guys just think, oh wow, a villager house. And when you get in here, then you will see a mine shaft in villager's house. That's funny, guys. If you think that is funny, then leave it in comment section. So when you get over here, you will find some chests with a lot of loot in it. So let's get this loot. These are a lot of it. I need a hand space. So let's find where was another chest. Here. Sometimes chest will spawn at other locations. Oh, that's easy, guys. Sometimes chest will spawn at other locations. So that's not my fault if chests were not here or there. And now you just need to do is drink a potion of night vision. Get in. Oh, sorry, guys. I think that was over here. No? I do not find the dungeon. Oh, here. Just go over here, front of that house, and you guys will see a dungeon at spawn, but it only contains a single chest. So, never mind, guys. Let's break this chest so we can get the stuff from it. And now let's just throw this thing. Potion of night vision. And guys, this stuff in my inventory, this stuff is very easy to find in this seed. This is a lot of stuff. So don't forget to leave this video a like. If we get more subscriber and likes in my channel, then I will show you some awesome things for Minecraft. Some tips, tricks, and a lot more. Just don't forget to leave a like. Or appreciable. Thanks guys for subscribing my channel and stuff like that. Bye.